One of the problems if you keep doing generation after generation of quail in a large sort of breeding program from egg to adult, and they breed together, is you will get brothers and sisters mating, and their offspring will be quite related. They'll actually be a technical term of inbreeding. So inbreeding in itself is not necessarily negative, because you need some inbreeding if you're developing certain traits. Like we use that to develop the colours, the many different colours of Coturnix quail. But you do get obviously some negative aspects of inbreeding, where negative traits get pushed through and get amplified, so to speak. Now I've noticed recently some of my birds that are a little bit highlighting some ailments that have come into the flock. So what I do periodically is I introduce some new genetics to a next batch that comes through. So I've gone out and got 24 eggs from another supplier, an unrelated supplier, picked up some eggs. I'm going to mark them before I put them in the incubator so I can keep a track of how many they hatch versus mine, because I like to keep a track, always know the hatch rate of my eggs. And because I've got 24, I'll probably do 96 eggs. So it's enough that enough of them will go through, some will be butchered, but enough will be coming to the program to actually put some genetics in there, because I only wanted to change a little bit because I'm pretty happy overall with my genetics, but I like to bring in a little bit every now and then just to keep everything sort of, I guess, free of those ailments, and just enough to keep a bit of diversity, and that will keep them strong going forward. These are the board eggs, so what I'm going to do is just use this non-toxic pen and just mark the fat end with a little cross so I can see it, and then we can work out which ones hatch and which don't. They're all marked up now. I had to cull one because it didn't look like it was suitable. So they're in the incubator now, and I will fill the rest with my own eggs. There they are, all set to go.